Watch. Well, it's not a plan. Watch one. Franchise, they're choosing one. 10-star general. You don't know when I come to represent, you know a full effort. You know it go already. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment or sound. Gaza, favorite. Most definitely are the most electrifying. What? Yeah, I'm in a Gaza shop. We have some local. Loan and but them claim them a run out and a rejoice. Say alkaline kick off Vybz Kartel off a #1 trended on YouTube in a Jamaica. And the man them skin out like a prostitute and I rejoice like some local youth who receive them first start on Christmas. You see what I'm dealing? Right about now, you know. The fanatic them do ever see. Around 2-3 months now the world boss to drop my song. Cause the world boss I make Dancehall diva. I go and soak up the place. But when me dare any one of them and them can take on the bet cause we're not afraid. Whatever, by the end of the year, whatever for go so far, you know, but we'll put it at that. By the end of the year, I guarantee you, when it comes to trending Vybz Kartel, last him. And for you know, look a fanatic, where I skin up on the teeth and I talk about the man not for eat. Him for just accept greatness. What I call greatness? #1 trending on YouTube. Yo, this is the reason why man different from boy, you see me? Because here we go on. Boy dream, a man see vision, you see what I'm dealing? Real thing, no lollipop thing. Because a dream on a dream. Because let me tell you something. Vybz Kartel sell gold 2020 fever. And I still want to walk up on the mouth and talk. Vybz Kartel to Tanisha album hit the Billboard chart 87. Alkaline #1 trending on YouTube. Vybz Kartel Dancehall Diva album. It number 80 on the hip hop R&B Billboard chart. Alkaline I talk about trend 1, 2, 3 in a Jamaica. Vybz Kartel trend from 1 to 18 in a Jamaica. Alkaline, we don't talk about suave. You see what I'm dealing? And them things that I talk about, you know. Cute rider. I dominate the airwave. Alkaline when I still talk about Cree. But that's uncle I listen in a Jamaica. And them things they have to talk about, my brother. So more while the reason why me the man have to even go so low and break it too, no? Because let me tell you something. More time it come like when you don't understand certain shit when people talk. So man have to give it to me like an ABC. You see me? Because it look like a hunger show you can't understand what really are going on. When you don't understand nothing about dancehall, it look like you're not fanatic to the thing. And the world boss come out and ask a question. Say if you think who are the greatest songwriter in a dancehall for the last 2 decades. World boss, you don't know, say you man, where I talk about? We are nothing we are writing after concern in it, after you, you know. The voice of Jamaica and show them that world boss. Eh? The big bad song with Dancehall sing we sell gold and show them that. Eh? Ask Spice about it. Ask Spice how her career bloom up so pretty. Ask her. When ramping shop right and you call her. Ask her no man. Ask Popcorn. How him career kick off. Pan the high note there. Tell them no man, a real bad man no muggle in a short, straight jeans cut out. Think I know you're sending youth go a billboard. Eh? But I feel like I know you're sending people go a billboard. Them a chat boy.
No, drink it.
If you got big bad fever, gold and move to platinum. Eh? How would them think, how would them say right to Tanisha album? Eh? How would right to the Dancehall Diva? Eh? How would they write the 5 songs for Boss Movado? Eh? How would respond to some of the writing them for Rihanna's first album that she dropped? And many more we can talk of. You know no man who can write music like Vybz Kartel in a dancehall. I don't know gimmicks business. You know no man who can write music in a dancehall like Vybz Kartel. And the material evidence there for show you. We can just go on and on and on and on and on. You know what I mean? And a lollipop thing. You know, each and every time when I represent, you don't know, you know, a full effect thing. And I make you know from what they are in Gaza nation. Share the video, you know. Watch, you know, the loud explosion, you know. Take time, creep up on them, you know. Each and every time we represent, you know, and dropping necessary equipment, you know. It's what I deal with. Because them like what forget rid of them lies off of social media. Worse when time them a try to discriminate the world boss. And we know a lollipop thing them a go on with. Because you see, the man does for the last 8 years now, the man take over #1 trending on YouTube. And you hear the type of obligation where them a come with and the type of chat where them a have, and I skin up them teeth and I tell we about greatness after we have set the thing in a dancehall that others can follow. You know what I mean? We set evil the thing for evil alkaline that him can follow. You know what I mean? Because as me say in a previous video, Alkaline record in a studio in a Miami when them release the song Find Back Jamaica Water. That's what I deal with. Vybz Kartel release song in Jamaica. You know what I mean? And the song them find wings and fly all over the international, the big first world country them, but dominate international chart. You see what I deal with, so I don't want you to come and tell me nothing, because I don't talk in the lollipop thing with you. You see what I deal with, hey, you have red peas soap. know the general, the 10-star one, right about now, I look some food in the Gaza nation. As I say, share the video, I know my thing, but respect to the fullest. 10-star, the general. What?